Yeah. Let me in this.
You mean Dumbo?
I just made a milli, hold up. Boy, you think I'm joking? Well, I probably am, and so what? My whole life I've been broken. Every time I try and show off, I feel so important, but I ain't the only one. And I hope you rappers notice that I have been chosen to rearrange the whole game in motion. Feeling like it's frozen. Hip hop doesn't even have the same devotion. I'm about to kidnap these actors and throw them in the freaking ocean. Don't listen to Poison, listen to my potent potion. Watch the explosion. I don't even worry about y'all, cause my picture is painted. Trying to live life to the super greatest. No wonder why you boys is angry, I know. So I gotta get mine like some gold, and you gotta stand by like, please hold, talk about me, don't walk around me. These Friday night lights so bright, no J. Cole. But I need 3 wishes though. Tell me where's my freaking genie, bro? You gotta make these rappers fall off, cause I'm tired of that mumble tone. You know them new rappers, them cool cats, got no bars but got mad stacks. I ain't mad at that, but I want hip hop, and I don't even know how many times I've got to play it back. But I want hip hop, and I don't even know how many times I've got to play it back. But I want hip hop, and I don't even know how many times I've got to play it back. What's your reaction? The man with the big ears, main attraction. He got them flames, every word is matching. He's so insane, man, he must be plain. I know it, I'm in the building. You cannot go when you whine, and I'm steady striking like this is bowling. I'm throwing shots at you like Stephen Curry in his prime. I'm trying to reach the Golden State, but that's in heaven's time. That's what I want. What they want, what they want, what they want. Dollar signs, yeah, I know that's what they want. I don't have them, they misinterpret this song. I'm trying to get my name from LA out to the Bronx. Hey, what they want, what they want, what they want. Dumbo, yeah, I swear that's what they want. Patiently waiting for my time to come along, but I know I'm not the only one. Yeah.